TDD, stock analysis, next week, 6th of May and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video to the end to find out. I myself am pretty bullish, but the first few things need to happen, Context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you all of that because that's the truth and I've documented everything. So with Toronto Dominion Bank stock, because the price has been consolidating for like 2 years, like quite literally, the only way that I'm going to be bullish is if we start breaking above 60. Anything other than that is just fluff because I'm not looking for shorts, I'm looking for buys, calls, whatever you call it. I'm only interested if the price starts breaking above 60. So up, down, up, and only when that happens, I'm good to pull the trigger up. So it's not financial advice by any means. This is how it looks like from a weekly chart. This has been super boring here. So just because I want to make it easier for me, that's why, again, I'm going to focus on other thicker symbols. So that's without fluff. For a 100% free course, check the first link in the description. And here are the drawings because, again, you can see that it's good.